Yep, it's May 15th, and now we have Loki in here getting ready to have her first. Him. Oh, keep saying her.
I know.
Loki is a boy, and he's getting ready to have his first bath shower. Let's see how he does, because he's going off to his new family today too. No screaming. That's good. Oh, very, very good. You really have to drench these dogs because their fur is like weatherproof, and so if you just skim the water over them, it just like falls right off of them. They're dry underneath. So yeah, you really drench them. You should see them when they play out in the rain. They love being out in the rain and playing in it. When you bring them back in, you just brush them off with a towel, kind of. Just rub them off real quick, and they're ready to go.
Hi. Baby.
Hey, Loki. Now Loki's doing pretty good. I guess he is pretty tough. That's why he's the bully of the bunch. Smallest one and yet the bully. And look at this, he's doing pretty darn good here too. That's the first Shiba Inu puppy we've ever had that wags his tail when getting a bath. I guess he thinks we're playing with him. Hi Loki, right here. Yeah, it's just like nothing to him. Cool. Look at that, unbelievable. Didn't even faze him. Tiny, he really looks when he's wet.
Come on, baby, come. Here we go. There you go.
Look at that.
Look at that face.
Tough, one tough little dude.
Won't even give me a kiss. Because we need two to me.